Hi everyone and welcome to Optuma. My name is Darren Hawkins. I'm a software specialist here, and over the course of the next several videos I'll be introducing you to the software. Now, we've been creating advanced technical tools for analysts and portfolio managers all over the world over the past 20 years. So it's jam-packed with lots of tools and features. So we're going to create a course to show you how to get the most out of the software. And we're going to start right at the beginning with how to install. So if you've never seen this before or you'd like to request a demo, you can go to our website, optuma.com/demo. You can fill in your details, tell us a little bit about yourself, how you heard of us, and we will try and contact you to get more information. So that's the demo page. You can fill out all that information, and what will happen is an email will get sent to you, and in this email will be lots of important information, links to help you get started, and also a username and password which will allow you access to the program. Now, to install the program, there will also be a link, optuma.com/optumainstall, and that's where you can download the software. But to continue down this email, there's also some useful links as well. So there's links to get started, a little bit on scripting, which we'll go over more in the forthcoming videos, knowledge base, and also our forum where you can pose questions as well. I'll just scroll back up to that link to download the software. So we'll click that link to download the software. That will open the installation page, and there'll be lots more information here, such as system requirements. So this will tell you if your system can run the software, or what you need to run it efficiently. Now, we are Windows only, so you need at least Windows 7 all the way up to 64-bit 10 version, and also video cards are quite important as well, because we're very graphically based software. So we highly recommend either an NVIDIA or Radeon graphics card. It will work with others as well, such as integrated Intel cards as well, but for more advanced graphics, we recommend that. Now, if you're not sure if your system can run the program, before installing, you can run this requirements test. That's click the button there. That'll download a little program that you can run, and that will tell us whether your system can run the program efficiently. Now, as we keep scrolling down, that's where we can download the Optuma setup file by clicking that button. So usually that will go to your downloads folder, or you might go to your desktop depending on where you have it set. So once the setup file, the setup.exe, has been saved, you can double click to complete the installation. And there's more screenshots down here just to install and complete the program. Okay, once installed, there'll be an icon on your desktop. I've actually moved it to my taskbar down the bottom there. So I'm just going to launch the program. So when you launch the setup file, this will bring you to the login screen, and we enter the username and password provided in the installation email. Now, one thing to remember or to note is that sometimes the installation email gets sent to your spam folder. So if you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check there. So this is where we're going to type in our username and password exactly as in that email. Note that it is case sensitive, so it has to be exactly the same. Now, if you want to remember that password, tick that box and then click login. Now, the very first time you log in, it's going to prompt you to download the history for all the exchanges that you requested in the demo form. So what we want to do here is I've only got 4 exchanges listed, but it's prompting me to download the history, and so we click that button there, and all that will get downloaded. Now, this may take a little bit of time, so depending obviously on how many exchanges you've got added on your account, but we'll just let that go, and then when complete, we'll be logged into the program. So once the historical data has been downloaded, you'll be presented with this welcome screen for the software. Now you'll see there's a couple of information balloons open there. As you mouse over, you get a little bit of information. I'll go over those in more detail in subsequent videos. So we can click the close option there in the top right corner. Now you'll see we've got a banner there about the Optuma blog. We'll occasionally change that and have news and other information about the software there for you to read. And also during the trial phase, there's links to the video library and also the online store. On the right hand side, we've got details about your account, also support, phone numbers and emails, and the button for my account. I'll go into that in more detail in another video, but you can subscribe to or modify your data subscriptions, update your phone numbers and contact details, all online using the same username and password as for the software. And then further down, we've got details on the subscription, how much longer you've got left, and also latest news from us, which you can click to read more information. So that covers the installation process and also a bit about the welcome screen of the software. In the next video, we'll go into more detail on the screen layout. Thanks very much.